If you're rebuilding the same AI prompts every time you sit down to work, you don't have a workflow, you have a memory problem. Your best prompts are buried in old chats, lost in docs, saved as screenshots in a Dropbox folder you forgot the password to. Every session you start from scratch is a session you're behind. That's not a system, that's friction. MagicPrompt turns your AI thinking into a searchable library inside Chrome. Build a prompt once, save it, reuse it instantly, organize into folders, search by name, and find what worked in seconds. For complex tasks, chain prompts into sequential workflows so every step runs in the right order every time. Don't have great prompts yet? You can access a curated library of proven, high-performing prompts you can install and customize in seconds. Your prompts shouldn't live in memory, they should live in a system. Over time, you're not just using AI, you're building a system that gets smarter every time you use it. Click Add to Chrome. It's free. And if it changes how you work, leave a review and help other builders find it.